Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to contact Credit Karma customer support. Customer support provides help when customers have problem with product or services. To contact Credit Karma customer support, first open any web browser available on your device. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.creditkarma.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Credit Karma. Now here you can see the option of Help Center. Click on Help Center option. With that, now here you can see Need Some Help option on the top. You can click on All option and choose for the topic with which you need help to solve. Then you can also click on Search bar and enter the topic for which you need help. After that, click on the search icon. Then you will be provided with the related articles. If this is still not helping you with the problem on your product or service, then you can go back to the Help Center page. Now here you can see the option of Chat with Us. Click on Chat with Us. With that, here you'll be connected with the virtual customer support. For that, here you need to enter your first name and your last name on the given box. Then you need to enter the email. Make sure you enter the email that is associated with your Credit Karma account. Then you can enter the phone number. With that, enter your date of birth. After that, you can click on the option of Start Chat. With that, now you'll be able to chat with Credit Karma customer support. Now here you can enter or choose any of the options in which you need help. Then it will provide you with the guidelines chat. If you are still facing problem with the product or service, then you can click on the type a message box and enter the message. You can also type in customer support so that Credit Karma chat will associate you with the customer support of Credit Karma. Then here you can tap in the topic in which you need the customer support for. Then the virtual support will connect you with an expert. Make sure you won't get disconnected from the chat. This is how we can contact Credit Karma customer support. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.